uh, this economy is on two wheels traditionally. One of course is mining and the second is tourism. In technical terms, these two sectors are roughly contributing 15% to the state GST. You know what is GST? The sum total of all goods and services. So contribution of both mining is 15% when it was there. Now it is under ban, and tourism 15%. Issue is when we are talking about a general slowdown in the economy and the closure of mining by Supreme Court. Yes, it has an effect on a growth rate. We have not seen a big way central government or state governments collapsing in a debt burden. Yes, outside in the world, Greece collapsed in a debt burden. America frequently gets into a problem. And he always used to question me. You are in the government, and how do you raise your voice against casino? What is your view on casino? He used to ask me. I said, Baba, I am dead against casino. Then he used to ask me about mining. I said, the way rampant mining is going on, you don't feel bad. I said, Baba, I have read Achev by Pudlik Naik. I know what are the consequences of indiscriminate mining. I will never support that. As an individual, I don't support that. So, issue before Goa in the coming years is when you want to take your economy further. This is again my personal view, not as a finance secretary. Goa has to go beyond mining and tourism. In a place like Goa, suppose our art and culture starts contributing for a GST, and we tap that and we consciously make an effort, create such things, not only not serendipity, but more things, and start generating revenue out of that. Start employment opportunities through that. Yes, that can give rise to the growth of the economy, but that has to be consciously thought. I'm here in Goa for last 30 years, last 25 years. I have been listening about potential of IT in Goa, but very frankly, I have not seen the contribution of IT to the growth of GST here in Goa. I may be wrong. This is again my kind of a perception on IT. The infrastructure development in Goa is at a very high level. Whatever in economic terms is in double-digit growth rate. Goa state cannot print the notes, but they have all the powers to raise revenue, raise taxation. Therefore, these outstanding debts for Goa are increasing because infrastructure development we are doing through borrowing. The rates in electricity are very low. Our water supply rates are also low. I mean, all points of property tax. Now, that's a local body. Place like Mapsa. I have taken a flight in Mapsa. I checked the Mapsa municipality's house tax. It's one of the lowest.